So we're going to create a Google My Business account. So you come to this page, continue, type in your business name, I've got no physical location being an online school. You should put in the name of the city where your business is operating. For example, I would be Singapore. But I'm going to leave it blank because I'd like to serve everybody all over the world. I'm going to leave my phone number out of this particular option, but if you have a local business, I highly recommend you put your phone number in there. So you need to put in your address, and from what I remember, Google actually sends a post to your account to initiate some form of a verification. So they're going to send me a postcard with a verification code, and with the verification code, I can make sure that my business is registered on Google My Business. Here we go. This is another place to add a link to your website, and it's owned by Google. This will help to increase your SEO ranking, and so I recommend doing this for sure.